Welcome to channel friends. Today's video make money online with Fiverr, a step-by-step guides for beginners. Fiverr, how to make account on Fiverr. Pro Pakistan, professional branding, updating quality, always term called quantities 3.2 the ultimate effort 3.3 upselling 3.4 the approval towards buyer and request improvement of keywords give photo video safe graphic designing beats come freelancing Fiverr streaming sold all other freelancer marketplace such Upwork 99 design and developer etc. That's more thing is heard from the other freelancer and I can attach their pros is we in my first month on Fiverr I earning $15 revenue and soon each because my primary earning source. Our either said trust about Fiverr it's time you never get and other for trade and he training you receive order is very is $300 for week often game something reach or isn't the platform and all sell except calculation go out sell window but what it there was creation fee to starting getting sales what if you were here some provide and task to go to first order many more your foregain motivational improve tech and high photography and let the trace trade show amounts here are some provide method for your brand and Fiverr make good reaching income out of it how to make account Fiverr just log in and Facebook to Google account username and password where I get basic first market account on Fiverr it's not big deal and you can even logo with your Google Fiverr account Google Facebook account you get something improvement to discount here when we continue with Google on Facebook it's you task your real name from your Google account for Facebook ID and most popular mistake here and OPT partner kill time that is not issue in case your real name and brand will go and yeah, but can you see when run an account and company name still Fiverr and receive you must now just create your hold and suit on Upwork to know avail complaint and individual customer especially many enterprise individual freelancer our call hours why they are coming to learn that many agents outside they are highly paid work understand and substitute freelancer it result then $5 to $15 logo look like and $10 one so my source that your profile is under your owner name every with your real professional photo science link thing profile name and professional branding is very improvement to take about creation and among Pakistani freelancers that using VPN or RTP to make USA or UK accounted under nickname. Well, in the all history, the buyers on Fiverr something because toward non-active freelancer experience target we are also content, but I can still how you are lost to your Indian Fiverr who will run the account, understand real name and profile the guest was. We are not only successful but some rules strategies that we are packet Fiverr communicate their response. Pakistani is port through the supply sales and diction non-sites. If you feel like you can professional but easy billing negative English speaker name go for its evolution on Fiverr rules is long you are do not changing possible setting and that's changing your location approach. If you got Fiverr you will that's have category for all stock on macro service so if you go then category written transaction you will see many subcategory business prompting text rarely articles blog post etc. Then these are a few sub for sub category the web sub direction. For example, if you will click business and copyright is show your filter which buyer factor non search website copy product listing and copy etc. What is all that's above if you check all the trade master known section customer looking for your also complete name and category you will have lick fibers so you are better now for main category that farther down subcategory here make 3 to 4 gigs cover all sub category but for the best way deeper and try improvement excel environment and search for subs. For example, do you digital marketing, social marketing, Instagram, you can still level easy active sales easy gets 100 to 300 plus positive reviews name test number I checked says sun not all them receive make for 300 to 900 point every down the sub category make predict $100 premium standard $90 basic $80 that is very improvement point lots people still think Fiverr but $5 macro website is no trust the matter of fact of Fiverr and to own all meeting cost of good trend and big of your touch the still customer offer and Fiverr needs programming and introduction. Editing listing to Fiverr supplier sales and for writing. Once big fashion with $100 purchase. Click photo and videos.